sidechaining or delay makes your vocal mix sound much cleaner than using it directly on the vocal track, right? And it also saves you much more time than using automation. Now, here is my lead vocal. I'm going to zone in on it right here with my delay loaded on it directly. You can see right here on the mixer. So let's listen to it and see how it sounds.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where they don't send me, where they don't know me, yeah.
So you can see how it's clashing and how it's just messy all over the place, and how to fix that easily. It's with sidechain, and sidechain is really easy to do with delay. So I'm going to turn this off right here, and to sidechain it, I'm going to select this and link it to an empty track. You can see I have insert 45 right here, an empty track. And then when it's linked, you play back to make sure it's coming through it.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send.
So you can see it's coming through it. So you can rename this maybe vocal delay FX sidechain, right? So you can color this if you like, if you want to color code. All right. So the next thing we need to do is we select this, that is our main vocal, right? And our new track where the audio is coming from. We right click, go to track routing, and we sidechain to this track. And then when we play it,
See, gone are the days where they don't.
if the audio stop coming in, just make sure you come right here and you just hit reset. It's going to.
See, gone are the days where they don't.
You may have a little bit of glitch, like it doesn't matter. Then you come right here to Fruity Delay 2. And then we set the delay again. Turn down the volume a little. Then we listen.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball.
So the next thing we need to do is add our Fruity limiter. Then our Fruity limiter is here now. And then we simply come right here to compression, right? And then right when we right click this sidechain menu right here, you can see the audio name coming through it. And then we take the threshold all the way down so that whenever the main vocal is playing, the delay effect doesn't activate. And as soon as the lead vocal stop, the delay effect happens, it comes in, right? So you can take this all the way down, but this depends on how much of the delay effect you want to kill when the vocal is playing. So let's listen now and see.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah.
So if I take it all the way down,
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah.
then I'll take the ratio up.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where they don't send me, where they don't know me, yeah.
You can see how much cleaner it is. So let me turn off the sidechain and hear it again.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah.
And when I turn on the sidechain,
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now.
so if you've been struggling with getting pro mixes, making better beats, recording vocals, I do offer one-on-one training. Yes, one-on-one training. And all you have to do is click the link in the description below that says one-on-one training. You fill a very simple form so I can help understand you better and what you need and how I can help you get there. So when you fill this form, I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible and we can get started on your journey to making much better music in no time. Trust me, it doesn't have to be a hustle. Making music doesn't have to be a hustle. You don't have to spend many endless hours on YouTube looking for tutorials. With just a very short time, within about 4 to 6 weeks, roughly within that range, I can get you to your goals in no time. Yes, with money back guaranteed. So don't forget to click the link in the description after you're done with this video to fill up a form, and I'm going to get back to you pronto. All right, now let's get back to the tutorial. All right. And to even make it more interesting, right, you can still go back and maybe modify the parameter if you don't want the delay to last too long, right? You can adjust the feedback, reduce the volume, right? Adjust the cuts, and you can also use EQ to cut out some low end so a vocal mix is even much cleaner, right? So we can take some of the low end out like this.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where I don't send me, where I don't know me, yeah. See, gone are the days where I don't know me, where I don't send me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where I don't send me, where I don't know me, yeah.
So if you really listen, you can hear the vocal delay coming in when the lead vocal stops. So much cleaner and so much faster to do than automation.